Mo, Honest Take, Trading Star, what's going on? What's up, guys? Yeah, kind of a crazy day for sure. Doing all right, man. How are you? How you doing? How you doing? Lobber Dobber in the house. What's going on? Mo, Honest Take. What's up, guys? Market is slow right now, though. Maybe it'll pick up for power hour. We'll see. We'll see. Oh, good to hear it, Trading Star. Kind of ticked off that I hit daily loss limit on my funded futures, which really aggravated me. But Buellnox is looking great. The 4 Buellnox master accounts looking pretty. But man, my funded futures one really made me mad. It's just because I was doing dumb things. Felt a little tilty with it. Kind of got a bullish, just a bullish channel going right now. How you guys doing? How'd you guys do today? Been waiting on a break of 271.50 on the 5 minute for a while now. So you take a short. Yeah, I was looking at maybe taking a cheap short here, but there's just no volume in the market right now. It's kind of dead. Here we go. There's a little press down. Guess everyone's trading BTC and crypto. Yeah, I think for the most part, I mean, it's just, you know, the big institutions, the big guys at the desks, they're all like already taking their vacation and things like that, but
order filled.
mess around with this cheap eval here. Yeah, I activated another Buellnox account today. was this one here. Get up to 700. I should be able to activate 2 more if I want to. Yeah, should be able to activate 2 more. So we'll see. Trev! Yeah, it's pretty crappy, isn't it? I don't know how much trading I'm going to do tomorrow. I mean, tomorrow, Friday before holiday weekend, I don't know. Might just see if I can get some trades in to count as trading days, but besides that, like...
Order filled. Order filled.
We are smashing and passing this. Smashing or passing this. Is the market closed on Monday? Yeah, for the most part, I believe. I mean, the futures market will be open, but it's... I think the futures market will be open. But I'm not really sure about the prop firms, what they're... Let's see if I got any emails. Let's see. No emails yet. If anything, it'd probably be limited hours on the market on Monday, I'm thinking. Trades by Slade in the house. What's going on, buddy? Doing all right, man. Screwed up my MyFunded Futures accounts today. I only needed like another day and I would have got a payout, but hit daily loss limit, so they're not gone, but yeah, I don't like this.
Order filled.
Getting out of this. MyFunded Futures is 1 p.m. close on Monday. Honest take. Thank you, buddy. Yeah, that's kind of what I figured. So it's kind of like just a limited day. But I don't know what's gonna count as a full day. I don't know if it's I don't know if Monday and Tuesday are gonna count as one day or not.
Order filled.
I guess we'll buy until proven otherwise, right?
Order filled.
Off that harami. Oh, cool, man. Yeah, I appreciate that. Nice. So I guess I can just say it's a half day on Monday. So I did buy some take profit trader accounts today. Hit 50% on all those. The other one I worked on, I blew it last night. It's going all right. Bielanox is going all right. I'm crushing Bielanox lately. I don't know what it is. A-team, yeah. I think I hit 50% on an XFA combine, and then 50% on take profit traders. My funded futures, I hit daily loss limit. And Apex, I passed 2 Apex accounts. And I passed another Bielanox account. I failed one. Now I'm working on another one. And then all these Bielanox accounts, I locked myself out on a base hit. Grinding these up to a payout. Another payout. Now I think that Bielanox has uncapped payouts after three, but I'm not quite sure. I was trying to read into it a little bit, but oh, it's all good, A-team. Happens, man. Dawood, what's going on, buddy? When I hear Jason, I feel like I'm in trouble. That's what my grandparents used to say when I heard my grandmother say Jason, I knew I was in trouble. Oof. Faked out on both ends there. Oh yeah, A-team. Appreciate that, man. Yeah, when I started this channel, I just says, I'm just gonna be me. I'm not gonna try to act. I'm not gonna try to be someone that I'm not. Boy, that's yeah. I got faked out on both ends there. Those are account killers when that happens on my funded accounts. I'll flip the switch. Think we put in this around me. Swept above it. Now it's time to go short, I think. Heck with it.
Order filled.
Heck with it.
Order filled.
Heck with that. Huh. Jim May. I don't know what that is, Trev. This could go to the back to the VWAP. Yeah, it does keep bouncing off that 270 level. It'd be nice to have a nice close, but I feel like I might just discount much might be gone. Don't have that much trailing drawdown left because I was up about 1,000. So there it goes right there.
Order filled.
Ah, just pop that one. Ugh. The nice thing about Beelnox 91% off is that it's recurring. So you get rebilled at that one's passed. I don't want to trade that one by mistake. Lock that one out. Yeah, that would. It did. Hey, yeah, it's this market is not great to be trading, but at least these you smash or pass a few $15 evals, and it is what it is, you know. If these are like $119 evals, I would be doing the same thing, and that really adds up. Really adds up, but I generally don't trade them like that. I slow down a bit, a little more patient. I don't know about you guys, but I'm looking forward to a nice little break. Little holiday break. I still like the short here.
Order filled.
I don't know who I was listening to someone today, and he says, "Oh, this might be the high of the day right here, 330.50." So far, they're right. So far, they're correct. Got a great buy from the lows today, 21,056. Got a wow, holy 200 and what? Wow, that's awesome, man. I can't do the math, but $200 something points. Beautiful. Damn, you did catch the low. Just before the unemployment news. Or just after it. $269 points? Wow. That's a lot. It's over $5,000. One mini. Did you trade it? Did you get it on a funded account or personal account? This did put in a harami candle, but damn, Dawid. Holy cow, man. Drinks on you tonight. Congratulations. You know it wants to give it back up and head to that VWAP. You know it does. Come on. Hey, investors, how's it going, man? It's going all right. A good day today. I lost 2K yesterday, still up for the week though. I just got stopped out last night before the big dump. Oh man. Oh, nice investors. Been seeing some consistency and improvement now that I'm focusing on 1 to 2 props right now. Yeah, not trading so many at once. Wow, just doesn't want to go lower, I guess. Thanks, A-Team. Yeah, we'll see. This nice little harami here, a little pop. But we broke past this, broke under this trend line here. That's kind of what I was looking at. So we'll see what happens. Nice rejection there. I soon transitioned back into building a buffer of payouts and my funded futures, Tradeify, and Trade Sinks. Been hitting so far. Oh, nice, man. So you traded my funded futures, Tradeify. Spending too much on, yeah, Top Step and Take Profit. Yeah, for sure. I've spent quite a bit on Top Step this year. Quite a bit. I'll get my money back with them, but it's just, I don't know, I can't seem, I have like an XFA curse going on right now. ES is pushing up as well. It's not look good. Got funded 4 times with Top Step and 3 times with TPT with no payout. Fully funded with 50Ks every time. Yeah. Hey, Lassie Trader. Lassie Foot Trader, what's going on? Well, guess we're not done going higher. Well, it's just going higher. This just ain't right, Mo. It just ain't right. Market only goes up. Why do I feel like we're either, like we're gonna get a big move here at like 3:30 or something? Big rug pull or to the moon? Go back and revenge? I know, I feel like it. You kill Thank You minis, yeah. Yeah, there is no discount with Last FIFA Trader for Apex, is there right now? It is. Yeah, you gotta stick with your rules, for sure. Yeah, no real discount. And what is it, like 40% off or something with Apex? Definitely not worth it. Not for that. Screen's a little messed up here. Keegan, what's happening, man? How you doing today? Oh, really? A-Team, yeah. Definitely, I've definitely done that before. Now is time is probably short, but... Wait, none of the setups seem to be working at the moment. Man, I gotta fix my computer screen a little. With their nails done now. What's going on here? Girls with their nails done. Sorry. My computer screens are all screwed up. There. Joker, what's up, buddy?
Order filled.
Oy, oy, oy. I'm exhausted. I need some sunshine. Trying to pass these 150k TPT counts. Yeah, those are the big dogs. They're tough, but once you get them, they're nice. A lot more drawdown.
Order filled.
Gonna reset a TPT count tomorrow and give it one more try. 100 times the charm. 336, here we come. Possibly, yeah. Definitely had some, yeah, we definitely have some unfinished business up through here, don't we? Is that what we go for, a late day rally? It is possible. Kenny, thanks you, man. Smack the like button from Delaware. Thank you very much, man. Is this the owner of Buellanox? Supposedly that's where Buellanox is located, is Wilmington, Delaware. Oh, cool, man. Sign builder. That's pretty cool. That's sweet. Feel like we're gonna pop the highs now. Donna, how's it going? Market maker see me? Yeah. No, I'm just fighting the trend.
Order filled.
Popping up through there. I mean, you got all this unfinished business up here, these gaps. You heard it here first, 336 GLM. Nice call, man. Are we done? Or should I hit the buy button? Nice pop. Okay, you stay invisible to the order book. Well, these not going on the order book, obviously, but I think we possibly could run these. Keep grinding higher. But we'll just wait for a proper setup. That's what happens when you don't take your setups. Try to fade your own setups. Look, Harami candle, break, stop goes here. Look at that. To the moon. You're in New Jersey? Hanging out with Cove? That's awesome, Donna. It's freezing up here right now. This right here is an eval. So this is 100% sim. 100% sim.
Order filled.
Just do the inverse of what I'm doing. You guys will make tons of money.
Order filled.
Honestly, think that was a mistake, bro. I hope I'm wrong, but I'm still kind of on that drop. Yeah, we could get it, yeah, but I'm just, yeah. I got this bias now that we're gonna fill some of these gaps, but I don't know. It was a pretty big rejection off 337, so. There's a drop. Alright. This is smash or pass now.
Order filled. Order filled.
Next. It's cold and I'm driving. Yeah, it is freezing up here, Donna. I got my heat running. Looks like the sun wants to come out though. For a second. It just got bright. You watched the live stream camera. I'm from Brownville Food Pantry up in Maine over the winter. Hundreds of deer. Yeah, man. I know exactly what you're talking about. So this is a good setup, short setup actually. I'm gonna take it. I know. I just blew 2
Order filled.
Fuel
Order
Knox
filled.
accounts.
Order filled. Order filled.
I might blow a 3rd here, but we'll see. Oh, it's all good, A-team. I limit myself to 10 evals at $15 or so, so like 150 bucks. Yeah, these Buell knocks are $15.75. Yeah. The activation fee is high, so once you pass them, but then once I pass them, then I slow down, you know? So like these 4, and then I got 3 passed under my account, so... So I passed 1 today, and then I got 3 more pending under here that are passed. Yeah. No, I mean if this was like a TPTs, then yes, please stop me. $119 pop. For sure, bro. Yeah, these accounts are definitely degen style. Yeah, I just got a payout with them, A-team. So yeah, if you're interested, it's this project. You can use this project X. Use code PINE, 91% off. If you want to help support my channel, but yeah, I just got a payout with them. Just hit the bank, 1,500 bucks. But this is what I'm looking at is this Harami candle right here, and break, and then target down through here. But we should put in another Harami candle, so it's usually a bad sign. Ed of the Woods in the house. Dude, I talk about you every day, man. What's happening? I still got the Harami. So this is the inventor of the indicator, Ed of the Woods. No way, man. That's what I'm short off from right now. These purple candles are your indicator here. And yeah. No, I just don't have it on the Project X here. Yeah, man. I talk about you like every night. I go, oh, because people ask me what the purple candles are every night. So I said, yeah, one of our subscriber, Ed of the Woods, came up with this indicator here, and then said, but I haven't seen him in a while. I hope he's doing all right. Hanging out in the woods, I guess. Deep in the woods. For sure, man. Yeah, good to see you. Oops, I guess my camera's a little high. Just messing around my computer screens here. Yeah, it still works, man. I use it every day. And it's sweet for streaming because, you know, I can just look over real quickly, you know, while I'm reading the chat. Because, like, during the overnight streams, like, the market reopened, there's a lot of people chatting usually, so. So it's easy to just identify. I can kind of look up and go, oh, there's a Harami. I've got Methodical Man trading those sometimes. Season for nothing. What's going on, Jay? Yeah, I'm short. Which broker do I use? This is Buell and Ox. Prop firm Buell and Ox. Personal account I use E-Trade and Optimus Futures. Yeah, 18. That's all I use. I see you have other indicators hidden. No, that's all I use. No, this is it. Nothing else. I just try to read the price action on the 5-minute candles, basically. The VWAP. I thought about putting like the 9 EMA on there, but or the SMA. And then every once in a while I'll run this one. I'll run this 1 minute 9 21.50 crossover, but yeah. Nope, that's it. Some people do think I have like a 1 minute chart up and all this stuff, and I don't. I only have 2 monitors, so not much. This is what I like about Buell and Ox. Project X is that you can easily manage your trades. So if you want to take off some, you can just easily take off some and it automatically adjusts. So I was thinking about taking off some once we hit down below 300, but we'll see.
Order filled. Order filled.
Yeah, I don't really do any market analysis stuff because I don't. The thing about like my trading is that I'm really bar to bar for the most part. Like I'll have targets and things like that, but I'm pretty bar to bar. 18, if you're in the Discord, I'll show you my setup. Because yeah, I think it's funny that because I actually hear people on other streams talking about my setup and whether or not I'm trading 1 minute charts and things like that, or have other indicators or monitors. So I think it's kind of funny. post it on the Discord. Yeah, living in the now, bro. So I'll show you. I show you my setup. I just took a picture of it. This is my setup right here. That's what I'm looking at right this second. And then I have the stream up on my phone. His Royal Trades, what's happening? Good to see you, man. Yeah, these are just like two 30-inch, I think 30-inch curved monitors. I got my gnome and my stream light fell down. And then I got these two stream lights here. Little camera, little microphone. And then see, I have a footrest because I'm short and my desk does not fit me. It's too tall. I have to cut the legs off, but it's my footrest because I'm too short. Which time frame is good for the intermediate trader? Intermediate trader. I mean, all I trade off from is the 5-minute chart, so season of nothing. I mean, that's just, you know, comes down to personal preference. We got traders on here that trade 15-second charts. We got people that trade 30-minute charts, 15-minute charts. So it's really tough. I mean, most of the streamers you'll see trading 1-minute charts, but I cannot trade a 1 minute. Save my life.
Order filled.
Alright, stopped out on that last one and break even there. So we'll see what happens. The trade worked. The target is below this candle right here. The 3 o'clock candle. That's the original target. So this Harami, it's easier to show you on Trade of 8. This Harami, this Ed of the Woods Harami. Take the short, target the low of this candle. Once it did, I ended up taking some contracts off. And then that was it. So up 883 on this one. I did just blow, how many accounts did I blow? Two the Deal Knox accounts. I stopped myself on that last one, break even, season of nothing. So what I did is I just moved my stop to break even and got out. I was in 4 contracts, so. But now it looks like we're gonna take out the highs. Still feel like the drop coming? Nice. It really wants to go higher, but the resistance is intense. Yeah, so this is what I was looking at. It's what I've been looking at, is these gaps and stuff up through here from yesterday. I feel like we could push those. Maybe not today. We'll see. Smash the like button if you guys are just tuning in. Appreciate you guys hanging out. We will be back on at 6 p.m. for the market reopen, but I figured I'd hop on just for the afternoon a little bit. Plus 18, these Buellnocks are 1 day to pass too. Some people don't know that. So $15.75, 1 day to pass. There is an activation fee of $148, but it's a quick way to get some funded accounts, as opposed to you can trade up to 7 contracts, so you can pass them in quite quickly. It's cheaper than straight to funding, in my opinion. It's either if you can use I don't think TradingView. Rhythmic and Project X. So whatever you can use on Rhythmic. It's like Quantower and all those, and then this Project X, which is the mobile. Yeah, Tradeify, My Funded Futures, for sure. Investors. Currently, if you guys use code PINE on My Funded Futures. Let me double check this before I say something. So if you guys haven't used My Funded Futures, so if you guys haven't used My Funded Futures, you can get 50% off on any eval or any account really, and then use the code PINE. And also, if you buy an eval using my code PINE, you get a free reset with it, My Funded Futures. So, and you can do that up to 3 times, and that's for any of those accounts. So, pretty sweet. Mitchell in the house. Till the 30th, risky. Till the 30th. He made a whole lot of money in the funded account, $10. Hey, green is green though. Yes, exactly, 18. That's exactly it. I like to keep a few of those around for practice, testing out strategies too. Coach Fred in the house. Where you been? Hanging out with other streamers? All right. So now it looks like it wants to push down. Time we got 3:34. Brian Stonk. Oh yeah, that's right. Yep. Forgot he's streaming now. Oh, he must have a very good mindset. Very good mindset. That's awesome. Yeah, I mean, the dude has gotten tons of payouts. Super patient. Yeah, tough to stream. Be patient. Does he do I'm assuming he does live trading. My stream is not boring. I just blew 2 evals. No, I'm just kidding. I full ported 2 evals and blew them. Just for fun, just for the stream. Oh, nice, Coach Fred. Nice work, man. Get those TPT daily payouts, guys. I am currently working on these take profit trader accounts. I did reinvest some of my payout, my Bullanox payout today. So I'm working on some take profit traders. Yeah, use code PINE, all caps, PINE. Pretty simple. Get those take profit trader accounts. I can't believe that deal's still going on. $119 for 50K account. All in. So, not a bad deal. Is Twitter down? I don't know. Yes, Twitter is down. Sort of. I'm gonna roll with those evals. Yeah, I mean, I'm trying to get some more locked in there, but the only funded accounts that I was green on was these Bullanox accounts today. And then once I hit daily loss limit on the My Funded Future accounts, it made me so angry. I locked myself out because I knew it was gonna send me on tilt. I just knew it. Oh yeah, I did blow one today, Fred. Yeah, I did blow one. Pretty much the same times I hit daily loss limit on my Funded Future accounts. Yeah, Tradeify is running a deal, guys. They're on the advanced accounts, which you do have to pay an activation fee. But I'll show you guys right here. Don't use this code. Well, you can use this code. Yes, use my link and then use this code. TTV. They just launched their Tradeify TV. So if you guys are interested in the advanced accounts, these are intraday trailing. So keep in mind, these are intraday trailing. And there's a $99 activation fee. So all in costs, you are looking cheaper than Bullanox and stuff, all in. And this ends the 26th. So yeah, if you're interested in Tradeify, which they do pay out super quickly, I have gotten some payouts for Tradeify. Yeah, use my link in the chat there, and use code TTV. And then hopefully within a month or so, if Tradeify decides that they don't want to get rid of their affiliates, then I'll have a custom code, and that way you guys just punch in my code, and it'll be much easier. But until then, they say, oh no, you got to get $1,000 in sales. And sometimes I don't even get credit because you guys come in and tell me you use my link, and I don't even get credit. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. But yeah, thanks, Fred. Yeah, use my link. Trump speaking? I have no idea. JC Trades driving Uber Orlando, Florida. Let's go. Oh, that's cool, man. Last time I was in Orlando, I was I was using Ubers. I didn't see anyone trading though while they were driving. But it would be super cool if you picked me up in an Uber and you were trading. That would be cool. Yeah, it sucks, Jinzo. It really does. They do it on purpose. But hopefully... Alright, do we dump down to the VWAP now? I use the phone app for executions and watch the chart on the tablet. That's awesome. All right, we have the murder on close here in about 9 minutes. Pushing down. It's funny, I was just looking at Yahoo News and it says Trump passes or House passes Trump baby accounts. And when I heard that Trump passes or House passes Trump baby accounts, I'm thinking baby accounts, like 25K accounts. That's the first thing that came up to my mind. Trump's got some 25K accounts, some baby accounts. All right, we are pushing down here, 260s. What's gold been doing today? Kind of just back and forth with gold. Nice push down off the open. Just a ripper. Alright, got the murder on close here in 5 minutes. See what happens. Market's just pushing down. All roads lead to the VWAP. I'd think about taking the bounce off the VWAP, but not with the murder on close coming up. Just 50 trades since I joined the stream. Fred. So, you the man. My wrist hurts. Need one of these. Need one of these wrist pad things. You get the Dollar Tree version. I think I bought these two. I think they were like a pair. This one's for the keyboard, and I think they were like I bought them on Amazon. I don't think they were that much. So maybe like $10, maybe $15. Price of a Beelnox account. Look at that bounce off the VWAP. Look at that. It's so ridiculous when it does that stuff. VWAP's not real. I didn't know it was coming, yeah. I know, just didn't execute. Felt like I was chasing, but yeah, it could go further now that it tested it. We'll get the murder bot here in just a few minutes, so we'll see what happens. Wow, what a bounce off the VWAP. 20 points. 25 points. I just checked out Brian Stonk's stream. I see Josh Strategist is a mod in there. Kind of trolling him a bit. Wow, what a bounce there. See what the murder bot does here in just a few minutes. 30 seconds actually. Wow, there's the bounce. There's the murder on close there. Kind of a bit of harami too, but you can see right here. But it already took it out, so kind of cool to see that, but
Order filled.
I'm gonna gamble a short here. Trailing my stop.
Order filled.
All right, 340 on that trade. So when I'm trading intraday, if I'm not trading like full size contracts, like 7, then I like to trail pretty quickly because of the intraday trailing. If I'm in 7 contracts, it really doesn't matter. It's either it's either gonna pass or smash, and usually like a minute. So I hear sirens. What do you got, A-team? Yeah, go ahead. Oh, like competitive, yeah. Like competitions. Yeah, Patrick Whelan actually mentioned doing like trade-offs and things like that. Is that what you're talking about? I wouldn't mind doing like some more Ninja Trader tournaments if they ever have them again. That was kind of fun, especially for the channel. And they were free. I wonder if they're doing any more anytime soon. If anyone hears about any of those Ninja Trader tournaments, let me know. Oh, okay, I see what you're saying. So I'm going to develop a poll that refreshes every 5 minutes. I'm going to try to get folks together to trade as a team in real time, hence a team. Yeah, man, that's it's interesting. It's very difficult, but if you can do it quickly, and I guess it depends on like the instrument you would be trading and things like that, but you have to just pass a simple test to get access to the poll. I think it could be very engaging and interesting. Yeah, I mean, try it. Here we go. Taking out the lows there. Uncle Bugatti in the house. What's going on, man? Good to see you. Slinging around this Buellnox. Yes, smash the thumbs up. I'm going to call it here pretty quickly anyway. We'll be back on at 6 p.m. But figured to get a little afternoon stream in, considering I won't be streaming tomorrow. So market is selling off now. Boy, I had a feeling this was going to happen. Right at close. Dirty. But it should make an interesting night for tonight, 6 p.m. So, no, I'll see you guys. All right, thank you, Unc. Nice, man. Nice Labrador. Nice patience. Hopefully you snatched it all. $100 Oh, sweet. Sweet there. So yeah, guys. So currently, all kinds of deals going on right now. If you want to use my code PINE, I appreciate it. You can use it on all the major prop firms. Buellnox, Apex, My Funded Futures, Take Profit Trader, and if you want to use the Tradeify deal, or get the Tradeify deal, right now they got that deal going on with the new Tradeify TV thing. So here's the deal right now. It's $30, $40, and $50 for the evals on the advanced accounts. If you want to help support my channel, you got to use my link in the chat, or you can find it in my descriptions, or my Discord, or wherever. Tradeify link, my link, and then use the code TTV, and I should get credit for it. But besides that, just use code PINE across all the firms, and it should work. I really appreciate the support. I'll see you guys tonight at 6 p.m. I'm just gonna go rest up a bit, and yeah, I'll see you guys later. Peace. We'll sling around this, see what we can do in this eval, see if we can get it passed tonight, or smashed. We'll see. Take care, guys. Thanks for hanging out. Smash the like button on your way out. See ya. I don't trade 1 minute very often. I do have a strat that I do trade off the 1 minute, but I'll show you that real quick. It's the methodical man type strat. It's just a 9, 21, 50 crossover, and you look for the first touch of the 9, and it's just for 10 points. But besides that, no, it's mainly a 5 minute chart. All right, guys. Catching a little bit. See you out of the woods.